Hello Sagittarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first 15 days of December. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there for Sagittarians. Okay, so we have the Four of Pentacles, Three of Wands, the Five of Cups, Eight of Wands, wow, Magician, and the World card, the Nine of Wands, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Knight of Wands. So let's see what are the messages from this deck for Sagittarians. Okay, the Hangman, the Queen of Hearts, and the Four of Wands, Four of Clubs over here in this deck. Okay, so what is the guidance from the angels? Okay, guardian of emotion. Okay, so Sagittarians, you're starting with the Four of Pentacles, the Three of Wands, and the Five of Cups. So definitely you are upset over something. There is a situation which has really upset you and you are totally closed off to it. You're just leaving it behind, that's what I feel. And you're waiting for a new opportunity or a new person or a new venture, whatever it is. Okay, so you are ready for something new, ready for something different, but yes, you are very upset also over whatever has happened and you are totally closed off to it. And what I feel is you are definitely leaving it behind. You want to have a new beginning over here. You definitely want to have a new beginning, though there are times when you still feel bad about it, you still feel hurt and depressed about it, but still you are trying your best to turn your back to this situation. Okay, so definitely you are trying your best to turn your back to this situation and you are preparing yourself for the new beginning, closing off to something or some chapter, some situation, not investing in it at all. And here we have the Eight of Wands, the Magician, and the World. So definitely as you are preparing yourself and you are ready, making yourself ready mentally also and emotionally also, though there is a baggage, though there are things which are still hurting you, but still you are trying to come out of it and moving in a new direction, and you've even started planning towards it. This is a lot of communication which is happening in that direction towards which you want to move, leaving this behind, whatever it has hurt you, and this is something new which you has caught your eye and you really want to move in that direction. And here you really have built up the resources, you're over with the past and ready to enter into this new beginning. Okay, whatever this new beginning is, definitely you're closing this chapter of your life, what has really hurt you, and you are really entering into a new phase of your life. With the Nine of Wands, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Knight of Wands, what I feel here is this new beginning or this new person is, you are finding yourself having a lot of passion towards this situation, whatever this is. It can be a relationship because we have the Ten of Pentacles. Okay, but it can be anything else also which is giving you a long-term commitment, a long-term stability, that it is something stable, it is something really long-term, and you really feel passionate towards this is a commitment basically. Okay, so this new phase of life towards which you are moving is definitely very, very fruitful. With the Nine of Wands, you've been waiting for it since a long time to manifest it, to make it happen. You've really worked hard on it, you've really struggled for it. It's been many years. There was a time when you even felt unrewarded because whatever this was, this didn't come to fruition. So you really felt, okay, I've been working so hard, things are just not happening. but this one is happening. This one is happening. You have even built up your boundaries, and you have really worked hard also on that. So definitely there is something. So what I feel here is, maybe this was some long standing situation which has really hurt you and you're leaving it behind, because here we have with the two of spades, this is the hangman of this deck. So what I feel here is, there has been a time before you enter into this phase of life which you were really working hard on. You really waited for the results to come in, but results didn't come in, and you ultimately had to close off from that person or from that situation, whatever that situation was for you. Okay, and after being closed off and giving it a, just tying it up, you are moving into a different direction. This is really something new and something different. Okay, and here with the Queen of Hearts, this is something you are spending time on, that spirituality, healing yourself, because obviously there is some emotional baggage of the past. There has been a long time when things were not just happening, you were feeling unrewarded. So this is the time you're giving yourself to heal and come to terms with it. So obviously some sort of spirituality or that part of a thing is there. But what one more message which I'm getting here is that now you are having the results of what you actually wanted. The way you are holding this flower bowl, what I feel is, now you are receiving the gifts from the universe. And here similar picture over here with the four of clubs over here. This is victory, this is celebration, this is definitely a commitment. If it is you, that is what you're looking for. This is stability, long-term commitment, celebrations, happiness, and maybe even a marriage for some of you. The guidance from the angels, guardian of emotion. This situation requires emotional maturity and total trust. You are surrounded by those who have only best of intentions, so you can rely on the advice you are given. Challenges will be resolved. This card also indicates a generous humanitarian, a refined person whom you can completely depend on. This could be in reference to the characteristics within yourself. Okay, so whatever this situation is, this requires obviously a lot of trust when you're moving into a new cycle, a lot of emotional maturity to handle whatever has happened in your life, leaving it behind, having that much of maturity and guts. Okay, I really need to close it off, I really need to move with some other person or into some other sphere of your life, and that requires a lot of emotional stability, emotional balance, and guts and courage to move towards, and that is what you are doing. Okay, so things were just not happening in your life, and now you are ready for a new beginning, and you have manifested it, and you are very happy about it, and feeling very passionate about it. So Sagittarians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.